Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you something about Avalon Technologies. This company is a leading manufacturing service EMC provider in India with end-to-end capabilities. History of the company goes like the company was inaugurated as Avalon Technologies Private Limited, a private limited company at Chennai under the Companies Act 1956 on November 3, 1999 and was granted the certificate of incorporation by ROC. Subsequently, the name of the company has changed to Avalon Technologies by the shareholders of the company on July 6, 2022. Let's discuss the legal matters. There are no criminal proceedings pending against the company, as well as there is no material civil proceedings against the company. Let's discuss the dividend policy of the company. The declaration and the payment of dividend will be recommended by the board and approved by the shareholders at their discretion, subject to the provision of the Article of Association and other applicable law, including the Companies Act of 1956. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm going to talk about Avalon Technologies, about the topic whether it is a fresh issue or an offer for sale. Avalon Technologies is going public, which means they are selling a portion for the company's ownership to the public for the first time. They want to sell shares at a price of rupees 436 per share, totaling rupees 8650 million. This consists of two parts: fresh issue or offer for sale. Fresh issue, Avalon is creating new shares and selling them for rupees 3200 million. This money will go into the company for its operations and growth. And as per offer for sale, existing shareholders are selling their shares for rupees 5450 million. They include companies, founders, that is promoters, and others who have invested at different cost over time. The offer price of rupees 436 per share is 218 times the face value of rupees 2 per share. Before this IPO, Avalon did two private placements where they sold shares to specific investors before going public, raising rupees 300 million and rupees 500 million respectively. Due to these placements, the size of the fresh issue was reduced by rupees 800 million, so it's now rupees 3200 million. In total, this IPO represents 30.39% of the company's ownership being offered to the public. Now we will be talking about forward-looking statements of a company. This document consists forward-looking statements which are predictions about the future. These predictions are based on our current plans and beliefs, but actual results may differ due to various factors like changes in laws, competition, or unexpected events like natural disasters. Key things that could cause our predictions to be wrong include problems at our factories, like caused by COVID-19, difficulty in getting the materials we need, which can raise costs, change in what our customers want and how much they're willing to pay. We rely heavily on a few big customers for most of our income. We might not know exactly. Currency exchange rates can hurt our earnings and profits as well. Remember, these predictions are just estimates and don't guarantee the future, so don't rely too much on them. They are based on what we know now and things can change in future. The next topic will be management discussions. The management of Avalon Technologies Limited stated that the company is focused on the following key areas: design and manufacture of tooling and automation solutions. The company provides a wide range of tooling and automation solutions to the automotive, consumer electronics, and aerospace industries. Manufacturing of precision components. The company manufactures a wide range of precision components for the automotive, consumer electronics, and aerospace industries. Assembly of automotive components. The company assembles a wide range of automotive components such as instrument panels, door panels, and center consoles. The company's management also stated in the MNDA that it is focused on expanding its global presence and developing new products and services. The company is also investing in research and development to maintain its technological leadership. Now we will be discussing about the market opportunities the company has. Avalon Technologies Limited is a company that makes tools, precision parts, and car components. The markets for these products are booming. Tooling and automation solutions. There is a growing demand for these, especially from emerging markets due to complex product needs and outsourcing. Precision components. These are in demand across various industries and advanced technology is driving growth. Automotive components. With increasing vehicle demand, electric cars, and advanced driver assistance systems, this marketing is expanding. The company is well prepared to benefit from these opportunities grow. Now we'll discuss about the special benefits company gives to its employees and other things. Avalon Technologies Limited cares for its employees and provides them with great benefits, competitive pay and benefits like medical insurance and bonuses, career growth opportunities through training and mentorship, emphasis on work-life balance with flexible schedules and support for vacations, a positive and inclusive work environment that values diversity. They also have bonuses for referring new employees, discounts on products and services, and recognition programs to appreciate their employees' hard work. My last topic is group companies. As of August 2nd, 2022, our board created a policy to identify our group companies. In the fiscal year 2020, our company had related party transactions with Sina Technology and Services Private Limited and Sina ISAT LLC. However, Sina Technology and Services Private Limited was removed from the register of companies and dissolved on November 12, 2021. Sina is result as of the date of this red herring prospectus. Our company has no longer any other group companies. So basically, there are no other group companies with us, and this is as per me. Thank you.
I'm Astha Chinmay and I will be talking about the basis of offer, grey market premium, listing gain, present stock market price, and the investment decision. The offer price has been fixed by the company along with the BRLMs on the basis of various qualitative and quantitative factors. Some of the qualitative factors are: the company acts as a one-stop shop for electronics and manufacturing services. The company has a very good customer engagement and wide foreign presence, due to which it poses very strong resistance to its competitors to enter the market. The company has the state of art manufacturing capacities and it also maintains very high quality standards. The quantitative factors considered by the company while arriving at the offer price are: earnings per share, price to earning ratio, industry PE ratio, NAV per share, comparison with listed industry peers, debt to equity ratio, working capital turnover ratio, financial KPIs like income, revenue from operations, EBITDA, PAT, order book, net debt, etc. Operational KPIs like number of customers, number of employees, capacity utilization, etc. Comparison of financial and operational KPI of company with its listed peers, etc. Moving on to the grey market premium, we can see that the GMP is showing a constantly declining trend. The GMP on 27th March 2023 was Rs 24, but on the listing date, it sharply reduced to Rs 7. Moving on to listing gain, looking at the declining trend of the GMP, not much listing gain is expected here. Then we see present stock market price. We have observed that during the IPO period, the market was quite stable and there was no negative sentiment in the market. Hence, the market sentiment was not expected to have any negative impact on the listing price. Now we will try to explore whether the IPO is worth investing or not. So we will start with the positives. The company is operating in a very good business sector and it is also looking forward to grow its business in areas like EVs, medical devices, aerospace and defense, which are very promising sectors in the near future. The company is also looking forward to invest in new markets like Latin America and Africa. Also, the company has very good financial parameters. We see that the PAT margin has increased from 1.89% in 2020 to 8% in 2022. The EBITDA margin is consistent and also quite ahead as compared to some of its peers. The company also has a decent working capital turnover ratio of 16.37 in 2022 as compared to its peers and the industry average. But there are some negative issues with the company as well. First is that around 62% of the revenue comes from US only, which means that the company is heavily dependent upon one foreign market, which is not a good sign. The company is offering a fresh issue of Rs 320 crores and an offer for sale of Rs 545 crores. The offer for sale is much higher than the fresh issue. This shows that our investment can be risky, as the existing shareholders themselves are reducing their shareholdings. The debt to equity ratio is around 3.64 in 2022, which is quite high and it is not a good sign for investment. The company will also use the net proceeds to fund its working capital requirements and corporate purposes, but not for any kind of expansion activity. And this is not impressive for investments. Also, the company has not paid any dividend except to the preference shareholders. The GMP also shows a continuously declining trend, which means that the people are not interested in buying this IPO. So, looking at the pros and cons, we can say that although the company has good financials, but there are many factors which discourage us from investing in this IPO. However, we can invest in this IPO for a long term perspective, but not for immediate listing gains. Thank you.